Hello students, good morning. Today we will be learning to represent irrational numbers on number line. You all know about Pythagoras theorem. What does it say? That in a right angle triangle, let's see, now this is a right angle triangle. If this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is right angle, then C square is given by A square plus B square. Now let us say A is equal to 1, B is also equal to 1, then how much will be C square? C square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, that is C square is equal to 1 plus 1, or we can say C square is equal to 2, or we can say C is equal to plus or minus root 2. Now here we will be representing root 2 on the number line. We will be representing root 2 on the number line. To represent root 2 on number line. What we have to do to represent root 2 on number line? We will be using the concept of Pythagoras theorem, that is, if the horizontal distance from 0 to 1 is 1 unit, then we will be taking 1 unit as the perpendicular distance, and the hypotenuse of this triangle, this distance C, will be equal to root 2. So let us draw it on the number line. Let me draw a number line. You can see this is a number line. On which I will be taking, say, 0 here, 1, 2, and so on. Though I have taken this distance from here to here as 4 centimeter, but let me take it as 1 unit. You can use 1 centimeter also, but then the triangle so formed will be small. Why I am saying so? See, suppose you are drawing 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter perpendicular distance, then the distance will be such a small length. So that's why, to show it properly, I am taking this distance 1 unit as equal to 4 centimeter. Now what I will be doing? Let this point be 0, this point is 1, this point is 2, and this is the number line. So on this number line, we will use this concept. Here it is 0. Now I am taking 1 unit here. Okay. So this is the base 1, and the perpendicular distance I will be taking 1. So what about this distance? This distance will be root 2. Clear? This distance will be root 2. So what are you getting? You are getting the length of root 2 from point 0 to P. From point 0 to P, the distance is root 2. If you draw a circle, taking radius 0 to P, then what about this distance? This distance will also be equal to root 2. Why? Because this is the center of the circle. This is root 2 radius. So this radius will also be equal to root 2.